Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. I've never done one of these cars and coffee videos before, but I figured I might as well jump in, right? Uh, I don't have any old bills to show, but I do have a couple of neat little projects here. Hang on a minute. I just turned around here. Throw a little something to stop the glare down. And that works. All right. Yep. I was shooting a little paint this morning. That's that curbside 70 Wildcat. I might strip it and redo it, man. I screwed up. I like the color though. It's that Tester's metallic black, but I screwed it up. I got it thick in a couple of spots, didn't get it even. Anyway, a couple of rebuilders, right? I picked this one up last year. I forgot all about it, man. So I was looking for something else, and I looked in the box, and oh hell, I forgot about that. But this right here, like I said, this is a rebuilder. That none of this might work. It's really nicely done. Chopped 49 Mercury. Yeah. Let's see. And it does have a boot. I wasn't sure if it did or not. This is one I got to drag up. Now I really want to get out of the drag strip for a while. I'm going to build some customs. But yeah, that'll work. But yeah, I'll strip that thing down and redo it. But like I said, it's pretty nicely done. I don't much like the color. I don't like the side trim they put on it. But you know, that's just all the niggling details. Um, Anything else in this box? No. There's that. I mean, you know, who doesn't love a Mercury? Just buy myself a Mercury, cruise up and down that road. And I got this. I was going to rebuild it as Granny's hot rod, but I've got two fresh unbuilt ones over there. So what I'm thinking about doing with this is there, just come on, fairly easy. There we go. I gotta make an Oldsmobile fuel altar. Right? But yeah, it'd be kind of cool. Let me see if I got a chassis around here somewhere. I know I do. Hang on. We'll try that on this one. 750 that T chassis. Oh my, that's a lot longer body than an MT. The driver can't sit, has to sit in front of the rear axle. These things. But but yeah, you know, it's just an idea. I might get around to it. But there's that. This thing got about loads of good parts on it. And but really, I haven't been doing nothing much today. Last couple of days, really, I've been I was sick for 2 or 3 days, had a sore throat, and yesterday all I did was sleep, and I slept probably 18 hours. I mean, I'd wake up and stay awake for about an hour, hour and a half, and go back to sleep for an hour or two. But I got a couple of neat stash ads coming in next week. Um, I'll show him when I get them, and I should have some progress on this tea bucket altered, man, before long. I mean, like I said, I've been kind of lazy. I haven't been doing anything. Well, I sprayed some paint today. That's what I felt like doing, is some painting. But then I screwed my paint up. I do like that color though. I mean, it's that metallic black. That would look good with all the chrome work done, bare metal. And this thing does have a lot of chrome on it. Just looking at it, it does. Of course, it's a Luxo rod, so factory executive hot rod. Anyway, that's about all I got for today. If you want my shop card, just hit me up on the email. It's in the description, or you can scan that little sucker right there if it'll focus. There it goes. Like, subscribe, share, send a smoke signal, send a telegram. I don't know. Let your buddies know. I mean, if you enjoy my content, man, that says something about your taste, not mine. Anyway, y'all have a good Sunday, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.